No, dog, no. Yo. Are you cause the whole of that? Are you cause the whole of that, dog? No, dog. Yes, if you tell us, you see, dog, I said last week. Yes, last week. I said, I book a catty, dog. Yes. Book a catty. I say, yo, when I say Mama tan good, dog. I swear. What's your name? Yes, I think she said she come from down the road. Down the road. Where they escape on it up the 7 meter. So she said she come from down the road. You know what she said she name? Cheryl with the butterfly tattoo on her left leg. Yo, how you know that? So you knocky? Yes, me knocky about 3 times. Jesus Christ. Ratu. Dog, she's sick. She have AIDS. Yes, ambulance. Come for your patient. In drop down.